Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code CE-33986-9. This common PlayStation error usually indicates a network connection problem. Our first step is to ensure the issue isn't with the PlayStation network itself. Please visit the official PlayStation Network status page to verify that all services are up and running. If there are ongoing outages or maintenance, you might just need to wait for them to resolve. Next, let's focus on your home internet connection. Go to your console's network settings and perform an internet connection test. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Also, a simple power cycle can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your console, unplug your router and modem for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in and restart your console. If the previous steps didn't resolve the error, let's try optimizing your DNS settings. Head into your console's network settings and select Set up Internet Connection using the custom option. When prompted for DNS settings, choose Manual. For the primary DNS, you can use 8.8.8.8, and for the secondary, try 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers, often improving connectivity. Finally, ensuring your console's system software is up to date is crucial. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause network communication issues. Go to your console's system settings and look for the System Software Update option. If an update is available, download and install it. After any update or troubleshooting step, always perform a full restart of your console. This helps apply changes and clear any temporary errors, hopefully resolving CE-33986-9.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.